Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video we will discuss how to set up Fortrehui WiFi Range Extender using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the TP-Link extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or reconfiguring it, this guide makes the process quick and hassle-free. So let's start the setup video. First of all, take your Fortrehui Wi-Fi extender out of the box. Plug it into a wall power outlet near your router. Turn it on if there is a power switch. Wait 30 to 60 seconds until the power LED becomes solid. This means the extender is ready for setup. Locate the WPS button on both your main router and the ComFast repeater. The WPS button on your repeater is usually marked as WPS or has a symbol with 2 circular arrows. On most routers, the WPS button is on the front or side panel. Hold it down for about 2 to 3 seconds or until you see the WPS LED blinking, depending on your router model. Now find the WPS button on the extender. Press it once, or hold 1 to 2 seconds. The extender's Wi-Fi/signal LED will blink, meaning it is searching for your router. Hold the button for about 2 to 3 seconds until the WPS LED on the repeater starts blinking. The WPS LED on the repeater should stabilize after a few seconds, indicating a successful connection to the main router. The repeater's signal indicator LEDs should also light up, confirming a strong Wi-Fi signal from the router. Once the connection is established, unplug the repeater and move it to a location midway between your router and the area where you want to extend Wi-Fi coverage. Now the setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.